This is my 1980 Toyota Light Ace. Majorette. It's got those old school suspension like the old Lesney's. You know what's funny? The song I'm playing right now is from the band Wings, and you see by the van art. Nice inside. Van art was a very big thing in the 70s. I mean, you really didn't see a van without van art. Well, this is a first for me, a Toyota. Usually it was Chevys. Made in France. This car is a very cool car, I'll tell you that. Toyota was a very good maker of cars, but their cars were kind of boring, as you can see. This is kind of a boring car. Very nice suspension. I mean, if you've ever noticed the old school suspension they put on this car. Just love that feel. Well, that is my Toyota Light Ace. Watch my other ones. I have El Caminos and probably every car on Need for Speed, and I'm still collecting.